we are in downtown Milwaukee, here at the parking garage next to the Hyatt Regency.
And the convention center is being rebuilt apparently. Here's the sketchy door.
But these are the old Northwesterns, and they are indeed being modernized. So this is a final ride on these old elevators, or at least this one. These are the ones that have the really cool custom font, or at least the custom like labels. So we'll go down to 1.
Got a little confused. That was an interesting ride.
You can see why they're getting modded. I guess we go ahead and end down. We'll go down to this level because this is where the sky bridge is.
Let's see if we make it.
I also love how there's this, and then there's also the Hotel Skywalk. Oh, that's the Wisconsin Center, so that would have been the other one. All right, we are here at the Isaac's Garage, or the former Isaac's Garage in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Here are the old Dover Northwestern elevators that have completed their modernization. So now let's take a ride on the new elevators. Sounds like Otis did the mod with innovation. Go to 8.
Floor. Going down. First floor. Going up. Floor. Going down. First floor. Going up.
So those new elevators run really, really well, and I'm actually kind of surprised that Otis did it and used innovation like that. Now you might be wondering, why am I standing here in a random parking lot in downtown Milwaukee? Well, I just filmed those elevators. I just walked back from the garage because the whole reason why I came up to Milwaukee was to get this. As you can see here, this is one of the old panels from the elevator. And this is the one with the cool city labels over the buttons here, the lights. That is really awesome. That is why I came up here to Milwaukee to get this. So this old panel will live on. This will probably stay in my collection because I rode this elevator, and this is really cool to be able to have this now. So big thanks to everyone who was involved for helping me get this panel, along email chains and such. This panel will live on and hopefully get restored when I take it home. So that's it.